Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Voyager luggage lock. First, locate the tiny reset button, usually on the side or bottom of the lock body. Use a pen or a straightened paperclip to press and hold this small button firmly. While keeping the button pressed down, carefully rotate the 3 dials to your desired new 3-digit combination. Release the button, and your new combination is now securely set and ready for use. To open your Voyager lock with a known combination, simply rotate the 3 dials until your correct numbers are perfectly aligned with the indicator line, which is often a small arrow or groove. Once all 3 numbers are precisely aligned, slide the release button, typically found on the side of the lock, or pull the shackle upwards. The lock should then spring open easily, granting you access to your belongings. If you've forgotten your combination, don't worry, there's a systematic way to find it. Start by trying common defaults like 000, 123, or even your birth year. If that doesn't work, systematically rotate the first dial from 0 to 9, then the second, and finally the third. Pay close attention to any subtle clicks or changes in resistance as you carefully turn each number, as this can indicate the correct digit. For a more advanced unlocking approach, shine a bright light on the underside of each dial. You might spot tiny notches, small gaps, or indentations that indicate the correct number for that specific dial. Once you find these for all 3 dials, adjust them slightly to align them perfectly. If all else fails and you're still stuck, contacting the Voyager manufacturer or a professional locksmith is your best and safest option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.